You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Wednesday after ADP employment data showed below expectations undershoot, and the US government remained shut down with politicians no nearer to agreeing a budget deal than previously. The greenback ended the day 1.3578 to the euro and 97.34 to the yen. Today's data includes initial jobless claims, which is expected to rise to 313,000, factory orders, which are expected to rise to 0.2%, and the ISM non-manufacturing composite, which is expected to fall to 57 in September from 58.6 previously. Next to the euro. The euro strengthened on Wednesday after concerns about the Italian government dissolving it, and the ECB decided to keep policy unchanged when it had been expected it would lower rates and release more liquidity. The single currency ended the day 1.3578 to the dollar and 132.17 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone Services PMI, which is expected to remain at 52.1, and retail sales in August, which is expected to fall to negative 1.5%. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Wednesday after construction PMI undershoot expectations, leading to weakness in some pairs, although the US government shutdown, which weighed on the dollar, leading to a rise in cable. Sterling ended the day 1.6222 to the dollar and 0.8368 to the euro. Today's data includes services PMI, which is expected to remain at 60.5 in September. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Wednesday after risk aversion continued to rise following increased fears of the default by the US as lawmakers maintain their political deadlock. Follow-through buying after the government unveiled a major fiscal stimulus program to offset a rise in the sales tax also helped the yen, which ended the day at 97.34 to the dollar and 157.90 to the pound. Tonight sees the BOJ monthly rate meeting and a press conference with Kuroda afterwards. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signal from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long position at 1.3575 with 1.364 and 1.367 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.356, which will call for slide towards 1.354 and 1.3505. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6185 with 1.626 and 1.63 as next target. The downside penetration of 1.6185, which will call for 1.616 and 1.612. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 97.2 with 98.1 and 98.55 inside. The downside penetration of 97.2, which will call for 97 and 96.7. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.